The ARQUUS DMS Scarabee is a cutting-edge 4x4 light armor vehicle developed by ARQUUS, a prominent French defense systems manufacturer. Designed to fulfill a broad spectrum of military roles, including reconnaissance, scouting, and support missions, the Scarabee represents a significant advancement in the field of high-mobility tactical vehicles. As modern military forces demand greater versatility, mobility, and stealth in their operations, the Scarabee is poised to meet these challenges head-on. The Scarabee is a compact yet robust vehicle, characterized by its innovative hybrid drive system. This system allows the vehicle to operate on both diesel and electric power, giving it a unique capability for stealth operations. The ability to switch to an all-electric mode reduces the vehicle's acoustic and thermal signatures, making it ideal for missions where discretion is paramount, such as special operations and reconnaissance in contested areas. Weighing in at Athens, the Scarabee is designed to accommodate a crew of 4, with an ergonomic layout that places the power pack at the rear of the vehicle. This design not only optimizes space within the passenger compartment, but also enhances balance and stability, particularly during off-road maneuvers. The vehicle's dimensions, 5.25 meters in length, 2.1 meters in width, and 2 meters in height, allow for excellent mobility in urban and rural environments alike. One of the Scarabee's standout features is its sliding side doors, which offer quick and easy entry and exit, especially in confined spaces. The vehicle's 200-degree field of vision, facilitated by the driver's center sitting position, provides enhanced situational awareness, particularly against threats like improvised explosive devices. This is further complemented by the ARQUUS Hornet remote control weapon system, which offers superior accuracy and target engagement capabilities. While the Scarabee is not intended for direct, prolonged combat, it is well equipped to deliver effective firepower in fast attack and reconnaissance roles. The vehicle can be fitted with a variety of weaponry, including 7.62mm and 12.7mm machine guns, 40mm automatic grenade launchers, and anti-tank guided missiles like the Milan and MMP. These weapons can be mounted on the Hornet remote control weapon station, which offers a 360-degree field of fire and can engage targets at various elevations. In terms of protection, the Scarabee is built to comply with the standard 4569 standard, offering mine and ballistic protection suitable for its light armor class. Additional self-protection measures include smoke grenade launchers, which can be deployed to obscure the vehicle from enemy observation and targeting. The Scarabee's hybrid powertrain, which includes a V6 diesel engine and a 70 kW electric drive system, delivers a combined output of 300 horsepower. This allows the vehicle to reach speeds of up to 130 km per hour on paved roads, making it one of the fastest in its class. The vehicle's adjustable ground clearance of 0.385 meters enhances its off-road capability, allowing it to tackle obstacles such as trenches and vertical barriers with ease. The Scarabee's design also includes independent rear-wheel steering, which significantly improves its maneuverability, enabling it to perform tight, U-turns in confined environments like urban streets and forested areas. This feature, combined with its airdrop capability from platforms like the C-130, Chinook, and A400M, makes the Scarabee an ideal choice for rapid deployment and special operations. Since its unveiling, the Scarabee has garnered significant attention for its innovative design and potential applications in modern military operations. The vehicle made its international debut at the International Defense Exhibition and Conference in Abu Dhabi in February 2021, signaling ARQUUS' intent to market the Scarabee to the global audience. The Scarabee's versatility makes it well suited for a wide range of missions, from conventional warfare to counterinsurgency and peacekeeping operations. Its hybrid drive and compact design enable it to operate effectively in diverse environments, from dense urban areas to rugged rural terrain. The vehicle's low acoustic and thermal signatures are particularly advantageous in asymmetric warfare, where stealth and surprise are critical.